All right, last pair, man. Bring these up for the grand finale. I'm happy about these.
There's nothing to discuss there. It says it right across the top.
Humanrace.
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 Packaging.
Yeah.
Pharrell always knows what to do.
Yes, indeed.
That guy has an eye for the right way of doing things.
Yes, sir.
I like the colorway already.
Humanrace Sambas.
Okay, so I'm gonna be honest here and say that something's happening. Something's happening and I don't like it. I don't like it at all. If you go into my search, you will see that I have been stalking a pair of navy blue Sambas because I've said this on the show before. I've got a flat foot, so a lot of times I didn't really like the way certain shoes looked on my feet.
Yes, sir.
And so, not flat foot, a wide foot. And so I would always have to go up half a size. I didn't like it. Then, and we never actually put them on the show, the joints I wore to Kennedy's graduation.
Just the metallic looking joints.
Right, and those were Sambas, right? So when I grabbed those, I was like, all right, Samba.
You can wear these.
These are now gonna make their way into my life. And so I have been searching there's a navy blue pair that are all suede.
Oh, okay.
Nuts.
I was just looking at a navy blue pair the other day with a red tab on the back.
Red tab, yeah. Those
are suede joints?
Yeah, they're suede.
Oh, okay. I didn't
That's
know
the
those were
ones I'm
suede.
talking
Yeah,
about.
this is hard.
Absolutely.
Yeah, the red tab around the back. I was like, oh, this is nasty.
These are tough.
Oh, God. Yeah, these are
I don't even know what color this is.
They're calling it
Are these skin tone?
Nah, damn, Trina had the name, I forgot what it's called.
It's almost like I have to look at it this way to catch it in the...
Hold on, let me look it up real quick.
While you're doing that, the shoestrings are out of this world.
The leather joints?
The leather, unfinished strip of leather as a shoestring is crazy.
yeah.
Absolutely crazy, especially because the same color of the sneaker is only on one side.
Terracotta.
Terracotta. Okay, we'll go with that.
Yep.
I'm saying we'll go with that like I had an option.
Like, yeah, right, get a voice in this shit. You said what now?
It's only the color of that matches the sneaker, which is clearly made from the same.
All the other sides are unfinished.
It's unfinished.
'Cause it's like a
so
cube.
when it wraps, it just gives this whole.
It's a force. Yeah, the contrast.
Yeah.
It's a four-sided shoestring, basically.
Yes.
Leather.
Cubed.
Cubed.
Because this is. Yeah. Then they just kept it one color all the way through the sole.
The entire shit. The entire shit.
It almost messed me up for a second where I couldn't identify the Adidas, the three stripes.
The three stripes, yep.
These,
Yeah, you can get lost in it, yep.
You can easily get, and then they got the extended. Now this part, so on mine, they fold down like so.
Yep.
So I haven't experienced this. How is this on your
I haven't worn them, but it's soft leather, so it didn't. When I put them on around the house, I didn't feel anything crazy. Pause. But these I'm gonna have something. It's not really gonna be touching my skin. Like, I don't even know if I'm gonna wear these. I might wear them with shorts and stuff in the summertime. So I don't know. I had to see. Had to see. But typically it's gonna be some kind of sweat or some kind of pants or whatever that's gonna sit right on top of this.
And even for me, I'm a roll up guy, so I'm gonna get at least one cuff, which is always gonna have me right here anyway. So that's dope with these. These are tough.
Yep, it's
I was
soft
only asking that because not all of them had the extended tongue.
Yeah.
On them.
The tongue is not. It's not a hard tongue. Pause.
It's not.
It's soft, so it shouldn't be much of a factor.
Yeah. These are tough, man.
Back tab got the little raise. This is a flap.
Yeah,
this is a
just
flap.
a flap. Yep.
Unfinished underneath it.
And I don't know I can't identify what this is. If it's
What is
the tab? I mean, the texture of the sneaker. It's not a rubber.
It's leather.
It's not a leather. It's leather.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a premium leather.
This is.
But it's crazy. It feels crazy.
Because it also it feels like you I don't know how some people are, but like I choose a specific. I have 2 or 3 pairs of sneakers that I will wear on rainy days because of the texture of the sneaker. It won't get right. Like I got some metallic sneakers, so I know if I put that on in the rain, it's not gonna mess up the sneaker. When so many of mine have suede on them or suede-like texture, and this kind of feels like that.
But it ain't that.
This
This is the premium leather with these joints.
These are tough, man.
Yeah.
These are super tough.
I love them.
Super duper tough.
Yep. Human race is not doing what it used to do in the industry, but I don't give a shit. I love them, so I cop these shits.
But I think they are.
It's
right?
just still sitting on their website, so available as shit. They used to sell out. Bang.
But they used to sell out for that one silhouette. Remember when he has the joints that look like the sock that had something written up the front of it. Those were the ones that were always gone.
Right, and that,
you know what I mean?
And that's synonymous with human race.
Right, so that's what I'm saying. So I'm saying those still do what they do. He's always had other stuff. It's just people, you would have to see it on somebody and be like, oh, okay.
Because most see these shits on me.
Yeah, because most people don't go looking for it, and most people don't have an Adidas store or something near them where they would stumble into it. You're not getting these at your local Foot Locker.
Nah, that's not gonna happen.
Yeah. You gotta put some effort into these puppies. These are tough.
Yeah, the colorway is crazy on these shirts, man. All in one color.
Suit.
This nigga go. Here you go.
Suit that would slaughter them. Matter of fact, not to do this, folks, but
oh yeah. Those go mean.
Golly.
Yup.
These are tough.
Yeah, I'm really satisfied with these shits, son.
These are tough.
The Samba shit is kind of taking off too. Coming out with some dope colorways.
I bought Tiff when we went to the Veja store, and she really wanted. So I bought her some Sambas that were white with the tan right here, and then the blue Adidas. The sole was chocolate. All of it was white. This was the gray suede, and these were the Adidas signs.
Yep. I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Them shits are tough. I mean, Samba's been around forever, so you can't.
Yeah, but they're making a resurgence, man.
They are.
They're making a resurgence, and they're coming out with a lot of different like the World Cup colors for. I mean, they're a soccer sneaker at the end of the day.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah,
yes,
those
indeed.
are tough.
Yes, sir, man. That's what we got today.
Colorway.
Yeah, the colors, it's wild, it's trippy. And it's crazy because they came out with white, black, and this.
Let me tell you how my brain works. I have a navy blue suit, and I bought the perfect matching navy blue satin-based button-down shirt to wear all monograph. Right? Like the whole suit looks like it came from the same thing.
Yeah.
All navy blue. I would set that right on top of these joints.
And let the public decide their own fate.
Walk past me as you wish. But when you walk past,
if you chose
speak
violence
to me correctly. And I'm really noticing, I know we're supposed to be finishing right now, but
Pause.
I'm noticing the detail of this back tab. So normally there's something written back here. But what they did was they put this leather flap over top of the existing sneaker.
Yes, indeed.
So
you can feel the ripples.
So you can, right, like this is still, it stopped where the tab would normally stop. And then instead of writing the word Adidas on the back that they normally do, they just put the three stripes.
Yep.
Which match the silhouette of the tongue going around.
Yep.
Balls, these are phenomenal.
Look at the detail in the rubber. Like the midsole here. The top got the triangle situation going.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So while you're saying that, I was just doing this.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's like, a lot of detail they put into these
lot,
jerseys.
man. And
it's right. Stitching is crazy.
I think I'm
Human
still
race
just
on the side.
still blown away by the texture of this leather because it's like matte. That's the word I was looking for. It's like it's like a matte terracotta, but then, like you said, these little triangles stitched into the rubber all the way around. Man, these are tough.
The triangle stitching on 3 stripes on the side, which is what really makes you kind of lose the stripes when you look at them. They look kind of crazy, but yeah, they killed these shit. So the detail of these is nice.
On these joints, man.
Very nice there, Pharrell. For reals. Got another one for reals.
And then they kept the writing same color, but because it is a different texture, it jumps off
the light.
Human
race going on the side.
Because that's the same thing whatever they use to write human race there instead of where they normally write Adidas is what they did for the
eyelet on the side. I just noticed that just now. It's a little bit off.
Just so it pops.
Yeah, it really, you know what it really does? It matches with the rough side of the shoestrings.
Yep. It does.
It matches with the rough side of the shoestrings.
God
damn.
Talk about having it figured out, boy.
That's nasty.
They got the game figured out, man. That's it. That's how you figure it out.
With that one right there, baby.
That is
tough joints, man. Tough joints.
Yeah.
Good stuff, man.
Yeah, man.
It's good to get back at it. I don't know if we're going to do this again. I don't know if I have my eye on anything, but you know how that goes. Should be popping up. You do?
I do.
Get your eye on a couple things.
Yeah.
I got my eye on. I do have my eye on
trips to
something.
get past.
I was just about to say, I got October to do first. We got to get our anniversary situation popping. And then after that, I might act a little fool.
Yeah.
You know, you never know.
I'm telling you, I'm coming back with something.
Coming back, son.
I'm going to LA for a week. And while in LA, hopping over to Mexico and then back to LA. So I got some plans. My cousin out there, we already had a conversation that we're going to do some real damage.
You coming back with something?
I'm coming back with something.
You're going to leave with something?
Shout out to Denzel.
Shout out to Denzel.
I'm leaving with something.
Yeah, I'll be out in New Orleans. And what's the spot out there? The skateboard joint out there. Damn, I got some of their joints back here too. I can't remember the name of it.
The joint where you got the dunks from.
Yeah, the dunks. I got the dunks from there. The gold dunks.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go check them out, see what's going on with that.
Yeah.
But you know, good looking out, man. Good stuff.
As usual,
in
man.
the building. And we out. Bang.